Sky 555 Fox November, inbound for a midfield right down 36 right.
November 555 Foxtrot November, Cincinnati Tower, wind 2008, report right midfield downwind, runway 36 right.
I will report right midfield downwind 36 right, Sky 5 Fox November.
Hold short on Sierra for runway 36 right, ready for departure.
Criteria 3951, turn left Tango 7, and contact ground point.
3951.
Criteria 3502, Cincinnati Tower, roger. Five Foxtrot November, traffic departing runway 36 right to Nambier, straight out. Criteria 3502, wind 2008, runway 36 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 36 right, break trap 3502.
Breaker 3502, traffic entering the right midfield downwind of the
Copy, 3502.
Clear 5012, Cincinnati Tower, wind 1809er, runway 36 right, clear to land, traffic in the right downwind of Skyhawk will be following you. Got 555, Foxtrot November, you're number 2, following a CRJ 900, about an 8 mile final now.
For 2, looking for the CRJ, Sky 5 Fox November.
Breaker 3502, contact departure with you.
Yep.
Sky 555 Fox November, right midfield downwind, and we've got the landing CRJ in sight.
For 5 Foxtrot November, just to clarify, you do have the CRJ 900 5 mile final in place.
We've got them in sight for now, 5 Fox November.
5 Foxtrot November, roger, follow the CRJ 900, runway 36 right clear, touch and go, and right close traffic on the go.
Alright, we'll follow the CRJ number 2 for landing, clear to land, runway 36 right, right close traffic, touch and go. 5 Fox November.
So 5012, if you can, turn left Tango 6 north on Tango and contact ground point 7.
6120 is 4,800 inbound, visual runway 36 right.
Control 6120, Cincinnati Tower, wind 190 at 7, runway 36 right, clear to land.
36 right, clear to land.
Air 5 Foxtrot, November, change of plans. Make a left crosswind, then left downwind entry for runway 36, interchange with 36 center.
Left downwind for 36 center, 5 o'clock November.
And shuttle 6120 traffic entering the left downwind for the parallel and the Skyhawk.
Copy.
Air 5 Foxtrot, November, traffic on a 6-mile final for the parallel, the right runway. Number 1, runway 36 center, clear touch and go. And plan on left closed traffic on the go. Current wind 190.
Alright, clear to land, or clear touch and go for 36 center, looking for the traffic on final for 36 right, and after landing, left close traffic 18 center, Sky 5 Fox November.
Sky 5 Foxtrot, November, just for planning purposes, how many touch and goes do you plan to do?
To this one, head back north.
Okay, Roger, so this is the last?
Yes sir, last 5 Fox November.
Roger, do you have an encore setting or a destination?
We'll be heading back to India 6-8 Warren County.
5 Foxtrot, November, Roger.
And we've got traffic on 36 right, final on site, Sky Fox November.
Roger.
Calendar 5026 inbound visual 36 right.
Air 5026 Cincinnati Tower, wind 180 number 2, following a timber on assumed correction 1 mile final, runway 36 right, clear to land.
36 right, clear to land, Air 5026.
Victor FD 831, sir. Alright. Runway 27, line up and wait. Shuttle 6120, turn left Tango 7, contact ground point 7.
Tango 7, ground point 7, good evening, 2120.
5 Foxtrot, November, climb out instructions will be runway heading and maintain VFR at or below 3,500.
Alright, fly runway heading at and maintain VFR at or below 3,500, guys, 5 November.
Pickup 5831, wind 180 at 9er, runway 27, cleared for takeoff. 1. Got 555, Foxtrot, November, contact, approach 126.65, 2665.
First Sky 5 Foxtrot November, have a great night, thanks for the help.
You too.